Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to turn off two-factor authentication on Starbucks. Open the website starbucks.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your account profile at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. On this page, you will see a section for two-factor authentication. Beside it, you will see an Edit option. Click on Edit. Now, verify your phone number. You can choose between text message or phone call to receive the code. Then click on Send Code. Once received, enter it. Then click on Verify. On this page, you will see a button that says Unenroll. Click on Unenroll. A pop-up message will appear asking Unenroll number. To continue, click on Unenroll. That's how you turn off two-factor authentication on Starbucks. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.